Okay, kids. Clap muna tayo, kids. Kaya natin lalatan.
It's time to begin. Count it in.
Okay, kids. Take your body and dance. Very good. Dance. Wow, ang gagaling naman ng kids natin. Point to the right and point to the left. Again. Okay, kids. Wave your hands. Very good. Wow. Yay! Ang gagaling naman ng kids natin. Okay, kids. Okay, fix your body and very good. To the right and one to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, ang gagaling naman ng kids natin mag-dance ha? Okay, kids, sit down muna tayo, kids, para makapag-relax po kayong lahat. Okay, kids, ang game natin for today ay tug of war. Pinakakalap po ba nun? Ha? Pinakakalap po ba? Ayan, ituturo namin yung game mechanics ng tug of war. Okay, kids? Palakasan po ang labanan natin, kids. Strong ba ang kids natin? Strong po ba ang kids natin? Ayan, Lola Chan, strong ka ba, Lola Chan? Ayun, strong si Lola Chan. Okay, kids, as you can see, meron tayong loop. Ayan, meron tayong marker or flag sa gitna. Okay, kids, kung kanino team mapunta ang flag, magkakaroon siya ng 1 point. Okay, kids, kailangan din maka 2 points. Ang mga 2 points po, siya ang ating winner. Ayan, kids. Ready na kayo, kids? Ayan, sita mo na tayo, kids, ha? Wala mo nang tatayo. Ituturo po namin ng game mechanics. Wait lang po, ha?